6 labourers of a coal mine at Sorkari village in Rimbai area in East Jaintia Hills District of Meghalaya were found dead at 5:30 p.m. yesterday. Speaking to the media, Meghalaya Home Minister Lakman Rimbui said 6 labourers were found dead in front of the hut, and preliminary information suggests that these people died due to an accident caused by a crane machine. The minister was reluctant to say anything with regard to this accident, which could be attributed to the existence of illegal coal mining, and said the law enforcing agency is always there to prevent such activities.
So the police went to that spot. It's called Sorkari, near Rimbai. So when they went there, they found that 6 persons were lying in the hut, already dead. So since there is no people there to ask the police, so they are trying to ascertain the cause of death. Prima facie, it seems that there is accident. It seems that there is accident, that the crane is due to some defect, maybe due to some defect. So this is happened. So the process of identification of those deceased is being done, and 5 people could be identified, and one, till I speak this now, I didn't get the information. So, and the sardar of that who bring those people also, he is absconding. So all formalities relating to this incident, the police have been looked into, and necessary inquiry have been done, is being done, and report we will get after. You see, the duty of the government is not to prevent the illegal thing, and it is not that I can rule out everything, but this type of vision open our eyes that we need to monitor more, so that to prevent this illegal mining, especially this type of incident which 6 human lives have lost their life. So because this is the very important, it's not that you see, we should understand what is legal and what is illegal. Why we term it illegal? Because they do illegal thing. And suppose now, if you say that just because there is IPC, there is an act which take care for to punish anything, so that will prevent somebody to do things. No, because of those, there are some people who are trying to circumvent the law. There are some people who are trying for their own benefit to as I said before, to circumvent the law. That's why the law is in place. So it is duty of police, duty of the administration to see that this type of thing is not happen.